The Navanagar city of Jams, now known as Jamnagar, a city in the western Indian state of Gujarat.
Our team visited the water body created by the overflowing water from the Ranjit Sagar Dam due to the monsoon rains. This huge dam is 10 kilometers away from the city of Jamnagar. It was built by the erstwhile ruler of Jamnagar, His Highness Shri Ranjit Singh Ji Jadeja, also popular as Prince Ranji in the world of cricket. It was built in the year 1919 and was named after Ranjit Singh Ji due to his immense contribution in the making of it. It is an amazing spot, attracting many bird watchers and wildlife photographers due to its richness of flora and fauna.
It is observed that the breeding season of most of the birds coincide with the start of the monsoons. Peasant-tailed jacana is one such bird which starts nesting in bird sanctuaries and at varied sites of Jamnagar. Ranjit Sagar Dam is one of its nesting sites.
In consideration of the tail streamers, the pheasant-tailed jacana is the largest in the jacana family. This is the only jacana which has a different breeding and non-breeding plumage. The breeding plumage is marked by the elongated central tail feathers that gives the bird its name.
The mating process in birds are categorically difficult for the males. They have to convince the female to mate with them through a lot of display or courtship to impress the female bird and make her happier. The male courts around the female with flight displays along with calling. These jacanas breed on the floating vegetation during the rainy season. In southern India, it breeds in the monsoon season, that is between June and September. They are palindromes and a female may lay up to 10 clutches in a single season that are raised by different males. The female builds a nest on floating vegetation made of leaves and stalks of plants with a depression in the center.
The pheasant-tailed jacana is a resident breeder of tropical India, Southeast Asia, and Indonesia. It is found on small to large lakes having sufficient floating vegetation on them. The birds around leave in November and return in summer in the third week of April. Some birds arrive in the non-breeding plumage.
The body is chocolate brown with a white face and the black of the crown is black with white stripes running down the sides of the neck that separate the white of the front of neck and the silky golden yellow of the nape. The wings are predominantly white. In flight, the white wing shows a black border. A single clutch consists of 4 glossy black marked dark olive brown eggs. Occasionally, an egg in a clutch may be an odd pale sea green in color, which are laid in the mornings in a 24-hour interval between each egg. When an egg is removed at the 1 or 2 egg stage, the nest would be torn down and a new one built, but a removal at the last egg stage does not result in replacement. Once the clutch of 4 is laid, the male begins incubation and the female goes away to court a different male.
The pheasant-tailed jacanas' main sources of food are insects, mollusks, and other invertebrates picked from the floating vegetation or the water's surface. They forage by walking on vegetation and also by swimming in water, somewhat like phalaropes. Flocks of as many as 4 to 6 can be found on a water body, and they can become quite tamed and habituated to human presence. They usually fly low over the water surface.
Downy chicks are white below and striped with brown above. They usually remain with the male for up to 2 months. Young ones are able to run, swim, and dive as soon as they leave the nest.
Males may move or drag eggs around by holding them between the bill and breast or between the wings and body. They may also push and float the eggs over the water and onto nearby vegetation platforms when disturbed. Nests may be moved to distances of about 15 meters. Males near the nest may also perform broken wing and rodent run displays to distract attention of predators. The eggs are incubated for 26 to 28 days. Mostly, males incubate the eggs during the hottest time of the day. The year 2020 has proven to be the worst year, not only for human beings, but also for the other creatures on the earth. This year, the rains have been heavy and continuous all across India. Even in Jamnagar, it's been raining incessantly, due to which the dam started to overflow and the water reached the nesting area of jacanas covered by the leaves of water lilies. Heavy currents of water washed away all the nests, and the site was fully destroyed by nature itself. Sadly, the team of photographers could not do anything except watch the nests with eggs being destroyed.